Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the Mohi Harmony pen. So it comes in this wooden box and this has been sent by Anant Pathak from Abhay Pen Agencies, and you can contact on this WhatsApp number in case you want to make any purchase. So the box content has two things. One is the pen, so it does not come with the ink. I have filled it myself because I was testing it for past 1 week, and then one eyedropper is also included in the box, because the only filling mechanism this pen sports is the eyedropper mechanism. So first let's check the dimensions. So here is the scale. So the pen length is approximate 14 centimeters, and if we uncap this, then it is around 12.4 centimeter, and if you want to use it with the cap on, then it is around 17 centimeter. It is very lightweight pen. I don't have any weighing mechanism. Actually I have one, but battery of that is really low, so can't test as of now. It would be around 20 or 22 grams, something like that. First test the how many turns it would take to uncap. So let's start. 1, around 1.8 turns it takes to uncap, and here you can see it has the nib has Mohi branding as well as the fine mentioned, and here also branding is mentioned and the pen name is mentioned on the barrel as well. So this pen costs around 900 plus 75 rupees shipping, and it is made of acrylic, and on top and bottom there is Creole acrylic. This feed is ebonite, and the nib size is number 6 steel nib. So let's test the nib performance. So I'm using this Doodle notebook. I can leave the links in the description in case you want to buy it. So let's test this pen. So the ink is working. So pen name is Mohi Harmony. The ink that I am currently using is Brill Royal Blue. So let's try to write few lines. So it writes fairly well. It hasn't skipped any word or any stroke as of now. So I am really happy with this performance. So let's test its wetness and smoothness test. So it's a moderately wet pen, not very wet. Then let's also test smoothness test. It is not extremely smooth, but it's okay for its performance, for its price. And with my past experience of fountain pens, I have one pen which is Parker Frontier. It was like its nib performance was like this only, with like the Mohi Harmony pen in the beginning, but with the daily usage in around 2 and 3 months, it has become extremely smooth, and now you can't compare it with a new pen. So it is supposed to increase, the smoothness is supposed to increase a bit, because it's a really new pen. Only 1 week has been spent in its testing, and the other two tests, if you try to check its flex, it is not a flex nib, and I will not suggest you to use it for flex. And let's also test the reverse writing. So it's not a good reverse writer, and I don't think you would like to use it for reverse writing. Now let's test this pen on this notebook. It's a Factor Notes notebook. It is a made in India fountain pen friendly notebook, and when I had written some lines on it, it was really smooth. It was better than the notebook that I was using earlier. So let's write few things. So here you will see that wetness is also higher. So it also depends upon the quality of paper that you will use. Here it is writing smoother, and the pleasant feedback is also present. So line variation was one thing that I missed earlier, so let's test that as well. So a bit of line variation is there. You can see there is difference between the horizontal and vertical lines. Let's compare this pen in terms of its length with some other pens. So this is the Parker Frontier, this is Parker Vector Gold, and this one is Jinhao Centennial, and this one is probably the lengthiest of all is the Gamma Sneaky. And in case uncapped, so they are almost equal in length, not a big difference. And if you compare it with Jinhao, then it is almost the same length, and there is a minor difference in the nib length, but that's okay. So that's all the things, and the price I would like to mention it again. It is rupees 900 plus 75 shipping. It is number 6 nib, and it has ebonite feed. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and this is the address detail from where you can buy this pen. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.